This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Can I tell you? Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. Oh my God. I was recording this video. I had the microphone off. Okay, so here's the deal. I opened up one of them already. Let's, I'll show you a little footage right there. Oh God. So welcome back to a very fun version of I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. Oy. All right. I picked up this set. This is the Crimean Ocean CRYBABY series. I picked this up over at Pop Boxes. If you're ever interested in checking them out, I do have a code. Feel free to use the code Theresa, and you can save 15% off your order. I love this series so much. I think the little vinyl figures are amazing, and hands down probably my favorite CRYBABY series in the vinyl version of all time. I don't know how they're going to top that series. It's so good. When it first came out, I was like, oh, it's going to be really tiny. They're massive, and I love each and every one of them. I also picked up the little lamp from this collection as well over at Pop Boxes because this is just, oh, look, she's just everything. That's so good. This whole thing, I love ocean stuff. So this was just right up my alley, and this just makes me so happy. So that said, like I mentioned, I already opened up one. I'm going to show you a little clip because I actually guessed this one correctly, and it was the Sea Bunny. So here are all the options. Sea Bunny is done. We still have 5 more boxes to go. Love that for me. Here you go. At least I caught that now. Instead of recording the whole video. And then I would have to, which actually could be pretty funny if I had to, pretty much just talk over it. Okay, so here is the Sea Bunny in all her glory. And can I tell you, the only reason why I noticed the microphone wasn't on is because I was whispering into the microphone. And I happened to look up and I was like, oh, there's nothing happening. What I was saying in the microphone is that this is probably the only acceptable plush bunny besides the Demu one, because that one, the maze bunny or the maze rabbit or whatever, so good. This one is so good. Oh, it's so perfect. Also, there's some Nomies too that you've probably seen already. Those are acceptable bunnies. But this one I think has to be the cutest one. No, this one is so good. This one's so good. I also like her little striped belly. And listen, they're full of beans, which we love. I love a good bean bag. And she is so cute. She is really cute. Like this is adorable. So, all right. So I guessed that one correctly. Moving on to box number 2. This, I don't know if we got the secret. I heard the secrets are supposed to be really, really light. These feel kind of heavy, the last 3 boxes. So the first 2 boxes in the first row, kind of, I don't know. This is hard. It could be it. It could be it. Or it could not be it. So I'm going to say this one's the sea turtle. If it's not the sea turtle, it's the puffer fish. All right. Let's see. Okay. Video is canceled. If I didn't blow out my microphone, that definitely did it. Oh my God, bitch. Can I tell you, this is the best day. Best day of my life, bitch. Oh, this is so good. Yo, oh, this is so good. I was a little sad that I didn't get this little guy in the vinyl, but who gives a shit? This is the best version. Oh, this is so good. Oh, what? All right, no words. I hope Alex heard that. I hope he heard that. And I'm so glad the audio is on. Because fuck. Okay, there's no way that I would be able to, to try to even recreate that. This is the secret, okay? This is Oh, but what does that mean though? Who didn't I get? I got the bunny. Okay, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Girl, who cares? Who cares? Be happy with what you have. Stop worrying about what you don't have. All right, listen, here's the card. Here's the card. Oh, this is very light. This is a light one. So if you're in Pop Bart. If you don't want to purchase this at Pop Boxes and you want to go try your luck in Pop Mart, if you want to go Shake Boxes, know that this is a light one. Okay? She's light. This is everything. This is probably my favorite CRYBABY plush pendant ever. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. Okay. All right. Do we even care? We all know that one's going to be number one. All right. Let's go with this one. This is a light one. I feel like this is going to be the sea turtle. If it's not the sea turtle, it is going to be the puffer fish. Now, I don't know, because I got the secret, I don't know which one I don't get. That I don't know. So this will be a huge surprise to both of us. So let's see. I think this one is going to be sea turtle. Sea turtle or puffer fish, but sea turtle. I'm sorry. I can't get it. This is so good. Okay. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Oh, totally wrong. It's the manta ray. Oh, I'm so happy that I literally have all my manta ray babies together. Ah, it's so good. Oh, she is so fucking cute. Oh, she's so cute. I can't even, my brain can't even control how adorable this is. And I just want to literally just shove it in my mouth. And I know I can't do that. That's weird, but I want to though, so badly. Okay. 3 boxes left. I'm gonna go with this one because this one got the shit kicked out of it. Don't know what happened. Oh, this one, these feel very light. Oh my God, do you imagine if I got all secrets? I'm rich, bitch. I think this one is going to be, what do I think this is gonna be? I think this is probably gonna be my sea turtle. If it's not my sea turtle, it's the puffer fish. This will be the last time I say it, okay? Remotely close. That's the fucking anglerfish. Oh, okay. I'm happy I got this one because this is one that I definitely would have been sad if I didn't get. This one is so cute. Oh my God, stop it. Again, little bean bag belly, and it's so good. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Ooh, okay. All right. I'm a little worried because, all right. So who are we missing? So we're missing sea turtle, shark, puffer fish. I will be very sad if I don't get the shark. Oh, okay. So I would be okay with not getting the sea turtle. Although the sea turtle is really cute. I would be okay not getting that one as long as I get the shark and the puffer fish. Let's see. Let's see if I'm remotely right. Okay. So I'm going to say that this is probably going to be the sea turtle. Watch it be the shark. It's probably going to be the puffer fish. It's the sea turtle. Okay. Well, yay! But now I'm a little sad because I really hope I did not get the shark. Yeah, you know what I mean? Oh, this is good. Okay, listen, I like the turtle. I love the turtle. But I kind of love the puffer fish a little bit more, and I like the shark a little bit more, okay? But this one is really cute though. Oh, she's so fuzzy. She's such a fuzzy little bitch. Oh, look at her little shell. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I think I would have been fine if I didn't get the bunny, although the bunny is really cute. You know what I mean? But fuck. All right. We have 1 box left. Well, let me show you the card. Okay. There's the card. All right. Last box. I'm going to say this is my shark, but watch it be the puffer fish. I didn't get the shark. Oh, I didn't get that little shark. Okay. She's adorable though. Listen, pufferfish is really cute. I do love that yellow mustardy color. And I mean, she pops. She pops on my nails. She does. Oh, she is cute. But goddamn. Damn. Where's your card, you little bitch? Okay, there you go. I don't even know where I am right now. I don't even know where I am right now because I'm so excited, but also I didn't get the shark, but it's okay though. It's okay. Honestly, at the end of the day, that's an easier thing to find than the secret. So I'm going to shut up. I'm going to shut the up. I'm going to appreciate what I have because what I have, bitch, is the secret. And that's really all that matters. Oh, so good. Okay. Coming in last place, surprising nobody. Although really this is adorable, is the sea bunny. She is cute. She is adorable. I like her little polka dots back here, her little fuzzy asshole. That's adorable. Her little big ass crybaby tears. She is super cute. She kind of looks like Piglet too, which, oh, that's adorable. But she's just coming in last place. Then it would be the sea turtle. The sea turtle is super cute too. I love the shell. I love how fuzzy she is. I love the color of her. The color of her is everything as someone who loves green. And also my nails pop on her. But I'm not gonna lie though. I wish I had the shark. Okay. So that's number 5. Number 4, damn, see this is hard because they are all really cute. But I'm gonna say, I I don't know. I don't know because I kind of want them all tied in like second place because this is obviously number one. But like, I can't do that. All right. Listen, they're going to throw you in a volcano, Theresa. Which one are you going to pick? Which one are you going to pick? Oh God, which one are you going to pick? I don't know. Pufferfish. I love the pufferfish. I think the pufferfish is cute. I love the color of it. Also, it's, I don't have a lot of plush pendants that are like yellow, so that makes me kind of happy. But I like the other ones a little bit better. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Number 3, I think the manta ray. The manta ray. I do love the manta ray, but I think the best version of the manta ray is kind of the lamp. Although the plush pendant is so good and the little vinyl guy is really good too. But this one would be my number 3. Number 2 is the anglerfish. I don't know. I think again, I am playing a lot of dredge and I just love it. And I love anglerfishes because they're so scary looking, but they're so fun and they kind of move really funny. They're like, and I just love it. And this one's so cute. And I think what makes it number 2 for me is like the little teethies. It's so good. I like the little antenna. Oh, it's so good. This one is so good. I love the color too. But number 1 means I'm better than most people. What was the odds on this one? 1 out of 72. Not fucking too shabby. That is so good. Oh, you are everything. This is the best one. She is everything. I cannot believe I got this. Oh my God. Okay. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have this series. And if so, do you have the shark? Do you have it? I'm going to go find it on my Macari right now. Oh, so good. Okay. Let me know which one you have. Also, let me know how much you think I'm a bitch for having the secret. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your little faces and I'll see you little bitches tomorrow. Bye.